E-commerce today is more than just an online store. It's a part of business solutions that maximize an organization's ability to stay profitable. Maximizing e-commerce today means choosing solutions that scale and integrate with other business systems. And if you expect to achieve sustained growth, a sensible marketing plan is vital.
Consumers today expect online purchasing experiences that are simple, quick, and provide delivery options with the ability to track their purchases. In order to provide the most efficient, customer-friendly transactions, merchants are integrating their websites with line-of-business applications like accounting systems, customer relationship management systems, as well as custom applications. Not only does this provide a better customer experience, it increases efficiencies, reduces long-term cost, and reduces the chance for errors. Montgomery Marketing, a reseller of outdoor equipment and sporting goods, came to BitWizards with the need for 2 e-commerce websites that would operate from the same inventory database within Great Plains. One website needed to be a storefront for the general public with retail pricing, while the other would serve the needs of institutional customers who receive different pricing based on negotiated contracts. Two-way communication for inventory update and order fulfillment would have to be transferred between the Great Plains system housed in Montgomery, Alabama, and a data center hosted e-commerce websites housed in Dallas, Texas. Additionally, loss of connectivity between the website and the Great Plains server could not be allowed to affect the customer's ability to view and purchase products. In order to solve all the pieces to this e-commerce puzzle, we created 2 websites using ASP.NET, adding business logic to the institutional website to determine pricing based on a user account. The websites were also developed to accept multiple payment methods as well as allowing order tracking. We deployed a SQL Server database at the hosting facility that served as the data source for the website's inventory and order tracking. A custom Windows service was developed that consumed web services and used eConnect to sync the SQL Server database with Great Plains. Finally, we customized Great Plains to handle the inventory, product description, images, and pricing management for both websites, giving Montgomery Marketing a single point of administration. This fully integrated solution is the type of e-commerce system that works not only to provide an exceptional customer experience, but increases operational efficiencies, providing a quick return on investment.
Building an e-commerce solution involves planning and careful selection to make sure that the application can grow with the business. Initially, many companies will create a solution that is very defined and very structured and indicative of how their business operates at that moment in time. However, as that business grows and they offer new products and offerings, the e-commerce solution will need to expand as well to accommodate those new items and new options and features that will continue to evolve. In addition, businesses will need new reporting to track online trends and behaviors, both of which are essential to streamlining an application, determine its effectiveness, and making sure that you're delivering the correct message and offerings to the user. E-commerce applications use a centralized payment processor or gateway for completing transactions. The most common of these are Authorize.net and PayPal, both of which are provided by trusted companies and are globally available enterprise solutions that can be integrated into any e-commerce application. As identity theft and security become more prevalent in the industry, applications will be required to adapt to the increased security when utilizing a payment processor. CVV2 and PCI compliance are the 2 most prevalent ones in today's society, both of which ensure a secure environment for a user to make a purchase. However, as new industry standards evolve, the e-commerce application will need to accommodate those as well to provide the most stable and secure environment for a user and to ensure the security of the transaction going forward. As this happens, online merchants will want to take advantage of new opportunities like location-based services and time-based offers. E-commerce applications will need to be targeted to specific devices due to the wide range of devices a user may be accessing the site with. Each of these devices may have a different user experience and browser capabilities and different functionality that they can and cannot support. E-commerce solutions will need to evolve to accommodate the current devices as well as future ones to ensure that they display and function properly for the widest range of users. Companies need to pay close attention to the different devices on the market to make sure that they're effectively relaying their site and its content to a user in the most effective manner. A well-planned e-commerce solution will also include a non-browser-based interface via a custom application for certain devices. This solution will allow for a more personalized interface to the application and enhance the user experience by leveraging the capabilities and functionalities of the device itself, such as an Apple iPhone, a Windows Phone 7 device, or a Google Android device.
You want to sell a product or service online, but how do you go about getting customers? When we discuss e-commerce projects with startup businesses, one of the last things they've usually thought about. You can have an amazing website full of great products, but if no one knows about it, you won't be in business long. Marketing an online store, just like any other business, depends heavily on your target market. But unlike a traditional brick and mortar retailer, online retailers have many efficient ways to reach new customers and stay in front of existing customers. The most obvious marketing avenue for e-commerce is search engines. Search engine optimization is the first place to start by developing keyword-rich content for your products, along with backlinks from quality websites like Yahoo Directory, Best of the Web, and Business.com. But it can take time to develop a good flow of traffic. Search engine marketing, however, which typically involves pay-per-click campaigns on search engines, as well as advertising networks, can be a source of immediate streams of targeted traffic. Social media sites like Facebook and Twitter, with nearly 700,000 users, provide unique opportunities to promote products and services if utilized properly. Dell's Twitter strategy of tweeting deals to its followers nets them roughly $3 million a year in product sales. And many retailers like Old Navy now have stores within Facebook, extending the reach of their website and giving customers the ability to easily share products with their friends. Email marketing, which is far from dead, can be used to target specific interests. Amazon and Expedia use information collected from its registered customers to send promotions and product alerts based on site browsing information it collects. Additionally, site browsing history is also used to suggest or recommend products and services when a customer returns to their website. And behind the scenes, website analytics software gives business owners the ability to maximize conversion rates and determine which marketing strategies are working and which ones aren't.
E-commerce continues to evolve, changing the way consumers purchase goods and services. As more and more online businesses launch, maximizing opportunities will become even more vital as competition ignites the use of new technologies that make it easier for consumers to get what they want, when they want it. For BitWizards, I'm Jonathan Clark.